Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best front grills that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Xprite Front Transformer Grill. You can transform the look of your Jeep Wrangler with the new Transformer Grill from Xprite. This aggressive looking grill can make your Jeep stand out in the crowd with its unique design and fierce look. The grill is made from high quality ABS plastic that is impact resistant and durable. It comes in an unfinished matte color, which means you can prep and repaint it with the color you want to match your Jeep. Second in line is the all-in-one parts front shock grill. If you want your Jeep Wrangler to stand out, the unique design of all-in-one parts shock grill will definitely seduce you. The design is inspired by a shark's mouth with sharp teeth, which renders an intimidating appearance to your Jeep for the shock factor. Aside from being aggressive and meaner, this grill is also durable. The shell is made from the highest quality. Third up is the Topfire upgraded front grill. This grill commands attention. Done in an Angry Bird inspired design, it conveys a fiery appearance. It is also made from the premium ABS plastic that will not rust and delaminate. This means that it can withstand light impacts. It is an upgraded version of the available grills in the market because it comes with rubber tips and clips to keep the rain out. All the holes are aligned to install the grill easily. In fact, it will only take 20 minutes to fix it. Fourth up is the Xprite Front Gladiator Vader Grid Grill. Can you imagine the appearance of ancient Greek gladiators? Do they look strong and cool? You can find those things from this grill. Another aggressive grill designed from Xprite. This time it is rendered in a bold gladiator look. It can stand out in the crowd, just like the other grills manufactured by Xprite. It is made from the highest quality ABS plastic. This material has super durability and impact resistance that you cannot find in other grills. Last but not least is the ICARS Front Grill Demon Grid Grill. If you are too bored with popular and old designs out there, you should try this design. It is designed with an upgraded demon style that will give your Jeep Wrangler a serious makeover and a unique appearance. The grill is made with the highest grade of ABS plastic that is lightweight, resistant to rust, and very durable. Aside from upgrading the look of your Jeep Wrangler, it also provides the perfect protection for your Jeep's condenser or radiator behind it. It is easy to install this grill as it is a direct fit to the existing holes and in fact, it uses the current mounting points. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.